guys, welcome back. On a recent trip, my wife and I took over to Huber's Orchard and Winery over in southern Indiana. We went over there with some good friends and some family and just enjoyed an evening of music and some good wine, of course, and a little dinner. So one of the drinks my wife picked up was the Blackberry Sangria, come in a big picture, and it was just delicious. She liked it and says basically you're gonna learn how to make this. So with a little experimentation, a little research, I think we got it pretty close. So today we're going to show you my version of Huber's Blackberry Sangria. I think we got it pretty close. We're going to start with, and sticking to the tradition here, I'm going to be using Huber's Blackberry wine. It's a very sweet blackberry wine. Use the blackberry wine of your choice, but here's what we're using. I'm not going to make a whole picture, but we're going to make enough to enjoy this evening anyway. 3 parts of blackberry wine. I've chosen 12 ounces. And use the brandy of your choice. I am using Huber's Starlight Brandy. I'm going to do 2 ounces. Recipe calls for a half a part. I'm using Sprite Zero. Recipe calls for 3 to 5 parts of lemon lime soda. I've got Sprite Zero on hand, so that's what we're using. I've used 12 ounces, the whole can. And because I don't know where my lumbar spoon is, I'm just going to use a wooden spoon and give this a stir. Fizzing up from the soft drink there. And as a fruit, I'm just going to drop in a few slices of orange. And we're just going to cover this and put it in the fridge for a while, let it chill off. This afternoon I'm going to come back and share you with our Blackberry Sangria. Alright guys, it's been about 3 hours or so in the fridge. This is good and chilled, and we're just ready to give her a taste. Let's see what happens here. Got my little Collins glass filled with ice. Let's just fill her up. It smells good. Go ahead and garnish this with an orange because that's what we've been marinated in. And a sipper straw. Let's give this a taste. That is a burst of blackberry wine. That's actually, I don't know if it's an exact match of the Huber's, but you know, I tell you what, it's very tasty. Obviously blackberry wine, that sweetness from that stands out. I guess I'm getting a little of the burn from the brandy. I don't know, I mostly get blackberry here. It's very delicious. I tell you what, out here in the hot sun, oh, let me tell you, let me have a little taste here. Oh yeah. I may add next time just a little bit more of the Sprite, just to kind of mellow it out. Seems like what we had over in Indiana was maybe not as bold, so maybe just a little bit more Sprite. I don't know that I would up the brandy anymore or not, because that's just there to add a little kick, and I guess I get a little bit of that, mostly the blackberry. So there you go. My take on the Huber's Sangria, Blackberry Sangria. So thanks so much, guys. You know, it's always fun doing these, and anytime I get a new one to do, new drink, new cocktail, it's fun. Out here on a hot day like this, I might even enjoy the rest of this out back, perhaps over a fire later on. So thanks so much, guys. Please give us a like, helps us out a lot, and please share it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. God love you, folks. We will see you on the next video.